Hello guys, how are you? Hope you are all good. Guys, today we will unbox Lenovo HT05 TWS Bluetooth Earbuds. It's a new version 2023. So I buy this one from AliExpress. I will give you link in description. If you like, you can buy through that link. So it's in two color, white and black. So we will unbox both one by one. So let's unbox and check what inside the box. As you can see, we found one manual of Lenovo HT05, one charging USB cable which is type 3. It means its charging interface is type C, extra rubber for our ports, two pairs of extra rubbers, smaller and bigger, and this white color TWS box. And two pairs of earbuds. Let's open black one and also check. Same one manual, type C USB charging cable, two pair of extra rubbers, and this black TWS and earbuds. So this is inside the box we found. Or let's talk about its specification. It's as you can see mentioned here, Lenovo wireless earbud HT05. It's a Bluetooth version 5.0, hi-fi sound and extra bass, easy to operate, touch control. Here mentioned 4-hour play time for music. It means it will give you 4-hour backup time. Earbud battery capacity is 40 mAh and this case battery capacity is 250 mAh. It means 250 mAh will give you up to 20-hour maximum backup time with the help of this case. Its diameter 10, speaker diameter 10 mm, speaker sensitivity 106 dB, frequency range 20 Hz and distance 10 meter. It means its connectivity from your device to this Bluetooth is in between 10 meters. So this is the specification of this Bluetooth earbuds. Let's remove from the box and we put in the case. This is the LED indication. It's give you the status of your Bluetooth device. Now I put this earbuds in my case. It's light on. It means this earbuds on charging mode. So when this light will disappear, it means your earbuds fully charged. And I will show you how to charge this TWS also. As you can see in white one also, it's showing blue LED indication. It means this earbuds in charging. When it become full, this light will disappear. I will show you how to charge this one. This is the type C charging port for charge this earbuds. When I connect my charging cable, it's red light blinking. It means this case on charging mode. When it become a full, this light will disappear or change color. Same like this. When I put here, this light also red blinking. It means this one on charging. When this charging finish, this light will disappear or change color. So like this way you can charge your this HT05 TWS. Let's connect with our smartphone and check how its connectivity. For connect, you need to remove your earbuds from the case. Scan in your smartphone. It's showing me HT05. When I will connect this one, it will ask me pairing permission. I will accept pair. So it's connected in my smartphone. As you can see, connected for call and audio, 70% battery remaining. So this earbuds connected in my smartphone. Like this way you can connect this earbuds to your smartphone. It's a very cheap TWS earbuds HT05 not expensive. If you like this one, you can buy from AliExpress. I will give you link in description. Hope you like the video. If you like it, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel, like the video, share with your friends, and keep supporting guys. Thanks for watching.